Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Leading off, Sparkle's Guide by Roman. Who Wins Programmer Art or Artist Art by Ivan. Drone Footage by Trifox Foxface. Cartoon water rendering using the URP in Unity by Matthew. Did you order a rocket with extra flames by Loco Road the Game? Giant Stomper Tree by Sunder Islands. Hologram Controller by Hologram. Turn Department into a VR game for Oculus by Greg. Starting to add some gunshot combos by Summerclip. Cover My Back by Greek. New Foam by Soaring Pixel Games. Pre-alpha gameplay from the VR sci-fi racing game by Robert. Quick cutscene for the first story Fight by Dennis.
Not on my first day.
I'm gonna knock your teeth out! It's an air traffic control nightmare by Airborne Kingdom. Phenomenal combo animation by Raffles Sparkles. Reload animation in-game by Hellscreen. Narrow one-way road with lots of traffic by Hood Dust. Ori Futuristic 2.0 by the developer. The link is below. Dig up a can of soda, make a little ghost happy with it, and then play with a seesaw by the Outbound Ghost. Finally, Electric Ball, Meteor Shower, and more by Sakura Rabbit. Thank you for watching! Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.